everybody, it's Katrina.
It's the crafty corner crafty.
Hi everybody, it's Katrina, just coming to you with another concept for Mother's Day that I created tonight. And I finished some of the sachet pillows that I'll share with you also. So I'm going to start with the pillows. Okay, and I'm trying to show y'all everything I'm making, but some of the stuff I have not been able to film because I've just been that busy. Some stuff I filmed I haven't even posted yet. It's just in my camera. So these are the sachet pillows. Alright, so this one has the scented sachet pillow with the little neck pillow to go with it. This one has the fragrance in it, the smaller one. It turned out really, really pretty, y'all. Really, really like these. This one I put a bee charm right there. Okay. And then I laced it for both of them so that we can keep the set cohesive, even though the materials match each other. That's fine. All right, and then we have this one. And this is the butterfly set. Alright, it too has the fragrance packets in it. And this smells divine. You can smell these through the plastic. They smell so good. Alright, and then this is the yellow set. Alright, this one has the 2 arm pillows and the sachet pillow here in the middle. So I'm still making these sets, and I'll be making 2 or 3 of them a night until Friday. And then however many I have is what I will take with me to that event. So the next material that I'm going to attack is this one. Alright, we're going to do the blue butterfly sachet. And then I will do this pink one as well. Alright, so I will be getting these done. The pink one has all different kind of colored butterflies in it, so I'm really going to enjoy doing that. Alright, so the basket that I just finished, another Mother's Day concept that I'm going to hopefully turn you around and not knock you over and share with you. Pull y'all down just a little bit. Alright, so I went to Dollar General just to see what they had on sale, if I could find anything else while I was there. I did find 1 penny, y'all, and that was this. This is the hand soap. It was the only one they had, and the only thing I found that was a penny today. But I did pick up a couple of other things while I was there. One of them being this beautiful pink basket. Alright, so I decided to pick up the basket and see what I could pair with it. This bear here came from Temu, and it arrived today. So I said, okay, now I can go ahead and put this little pink concept together since I have this basket here. So what I did was I put the bear in the basket. Alright, he fit pretty good. I also have these little jewelry sets here. I don't know if you can see that, but I'll bring it a little closer. That little jewelry set, that was free off Temu. Came in a package of jewelry that had other jewelry items in it that I've used in some of the other baskets. It has this necklace in it. And I haven't used everything that was in there. I probably won't. It's got this little butterfly ring. Couple of other rings that came with it. I'm not really a ring person, but somebody else where this would be a nice man's ring. And then came with these rings as well. And there was a couple of other necklaces with it too that I've already used in the concepts. And then this gold necklace here. That I will use in something. So it was a little packet that came, and it wasn't something I ordered, so I believe it might have just been, I don't know, it was free, I know that. I know I didn't pay for it. So I'm not sure if it was a gift stuck in one of the bags or if it came in by itself, because I've gotten some small packages in from Temu as well, of other items that I purchased. But anyway, so I put the rose bear in the basket, and he's holding a rose, and I attached the jewelry to the flower that the bear is holding. Alright, and then these were the little domes that I made that say mom, mama, or whatever. This one says mama, and it has our pink soft cloud perfume in it. Has the lotion and the perfume. Alright, and then I also decided to include the Dove hand cream. And of course a prayer card box, which has the notes in there with the pen that you write your thoughts down that you're giving to God, and you give it to God. That's what this little box is. These little boxes came from the Dollar Tree. Alright, and then I have one of my Temu purses here, which is a very pretty purse to go in this basket. And then I included the pink pack of bath bombs that we get at the Dollar Tree. Alright, so I think that this basket has turned out beautifully. I took some frill here and wrapped it around the basket and just tied a little bow. And then I'm going to put this in a cello bag and get it wrapped up for Mother's Day. So just tell me what you think down in the comments. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you all for all your support. Be blessed. But most importantly, be a blessing. Hi everybody, it's Katrina.
It's the crafty corner crafting.